Hey, what's up guys, SNY Tech HD here, back with another video. So in this video we're going to be unboxing the Honor Band 5. So let's just jump right into it. So now the Honor Band 5 has a AMOLED display and it is also water resistant up to 50 meters. So it also has a sleep monitor and a heart rate monitor sensor, and the battery goes up to 14 days in single charge. Also it has smart notifications where you can receive calls and messages on your watch. So let's just jump into the unboxing. So as you can see that the box contains a few warranty card and also some booklets. So aside that you get the watch itself. Let's just take a look how the watch looks. Now I've got the black version, but obviously you can change the bands as you wish. So now let's just take a look of how it feels. It does feel pretty premium. And I can see that there's only one touch sensitive button and there's no other buttons available. And there we go, we have the heart rate sensor and also I think the two magnetic circles are for charging. So let's just take the wrapper off, and so this is how it looks. It's pretty sleek and I can see that the display is not to the fullest of the panel. So keeping the watch aside, we're gonna get a charger. We're gonna get the charger itself and also a micro USB cable. I don't know why the cable is in white but the other charging materials are in black. You can obviously replace the white cable with a black one. It might suit well. So now how to charge the Honor Band 5. As you can see that there are two circles, magnetic circles. You just have to place it on top of each other and you just have to do a click and it just places right onto it. So that's all you have to do to charge your Honor Band 5. So keeping all those aside, let's just get into pairing the device. So go to your Play Store or App Store and download the Huawei Health app. And as you open the app, it's just gonna ask you some basic information. Let me just input them and get right back to you guys. Let's just integrate it with Apple Health. Go to devices and add new device and smart band. Let's just search for Honor Band 5. Here we go, Honor Band 4 on and 5. So as you can see here that it's showing me the pairing symbol. Just have to tap on the tick and I think it's good to go. Yeah, here we go. So we click on pair and I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. So as you can see that the app shows you some basic information like how much charge is left on your Honor Band 5 and also a few other informations. So keeping that aside, getting onto the watch, this is the watch face. This is what you're gonna get. When you swipe down, you're gonna see a few menu options. You also have workouts. So in workouts you have outdoor and indoor run, obviously outdoor and indoor walk, outdoor and indoor cycle, elliptical, and also pool swim and free training. So as you scroll down, you're gonna find some few settings. So let's go to settings, timer, stopwatch, faces, find phone brightness, and also screen on time. So as you scroll more down, you're just gonna find messages. So you can read your messages from your watch. As you can see, there's only one touch sensitive button, and wearing it on feels comfortable and it's really light compared to my Samsung Galaxy Watch. It does seem like there's only one touch sensitive button and it does not go off when you put your palm on the watch. So there's just only one button and it just leads you to the home. So thank you for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll post a review of this product soon. Stay tuned, subscribe and like for more videos.